me that isn't the baddest fucking plow truck. That is cool. Don't get stuck on anything big enough to pull it out. Holy shit.
That thing is tough. Oh my god. makes me really sad that we don't have one.
I know. Well, you know what I always say, if I don't have it, I go buy it.
Yeah, but you're buying that.
Well, no, I just need a damn plow. I'll put it on the little Jeep. It wouldn't have got this bad if we had a plow.
You're my hero!
Yeah, now I gotta buy her one of those. Yeah, no. That's deeper than I thought.
No shit.
Oh my god. Oh, come on. That truck's having a rough time. In case anyone wants to know, this truck's for sale. Why he'd sell such a beautiful truck, I have no idea. Yeah, that's true, for 60 grand. No, to have someone build you a truck, it cost you that size, it cost you 60, 70 grand. Probably take a year.
It's gonna be useless for me to do this. Hopefully you can pull it.
Huh?
Hopefully you can pull it back.
That or just back over there and just push it in front of the Jeep. It's snowing again.
I know.
It ain't gonna quit.
That'd be good. Ding! Hitting his air horns. The tree's hitting his air horns.
Yeah.
Tom's branch is hitting his air horns.
We didn't want that branch anyway.
I know. I don't want to scratch his truck though.
No. Whoa! It's alright. That's just the trailer. We should have moved it for him anyway.
As long as he didn't scratch his truck.
No, No, it just hit the steel part of your bumper. Yeah, it didn't touch the truck.
It just knocked you off the stump.
He's living out the driveway too.